Say hello to the AVIALO-GIC mini drone with 1080p camera, the ultimate flying gadget for kids and beginners. With a 1080p HD adjustable camera, this drone lets you capture stunning photos and live videos. And thanks to FPV transmission, you can view the action in real time on your phone. It's packed with fun features, voice commands like fly and land, gravity controls, and even gesture selfies. Make a V sign and it snaps a photo automatically. Safety first, the propeller guards and low power alarm ensure worry-free flights. Plus, the two batteries provide up to 21 minutes of non-stop fun. Unleash the adventure, grab your Avialogic mini drone and take the skies by storm today. Looking for a drone that's perfect for both kids and adults? Meet the Ovillier mini drone with 1080p HD camera. With its adjustable 1080p lens, this drone captures every moment in stunning detail. Say fly or make a V sign, and it's ready to shoot photos or videos. Explore fun features like 360-degree flips, route drawing, and even VR-compatible flight modes for an immersive experience. Two modular batteries give you extended flight time, and its compact design makes it the perfect travel companion. Take your flying adventures to the next level. Grab the Ovillier mini drone today and create unforgettable memories. Meet the Dazzlen X31 foldable drone, your gateway to epic aerial adventures. Equipped with a 1080p HD adjustable camera, this drone offers a breathtaking perspective from the skies. Connect to the app for a live FPV experience. Want to get creative? Use features like gesture selfies, custom flight paths, and lightning-fast 360-degree flips to wow your friends. With two rechargeable batteries for up to 26 minutes of flight time and a compact carrying case, it's ready for outdoor fun anywhere you go. For beginners and pros alike, the Dazzlen X31 is the ultimate flying companion. Grab yours and conquer the skies today. Get ready for endless fun with the Ovillier mini drone, the perfect gift for kids and adults. Capture memories with its 1080p HD camera, adjustable for the perfect shot. Enjoy live panoramas and share them instantly on social media. Control the drone like magic. Say fly or land to guide it, or strike a pose for instant selfies. How cool is that? With propeller guards and two batteries, this drone offers safe flights and up to 24 minutes of non-stop fun. Don't miss out on the fun. Grab your Ovillier mini drone today and start creating sky-high memories. Say hello to the Loily drone, the perfect companion for beginners and pros alike. Equipped with a 1080p HD camera, this drone ensures crisp photos and videos. Its 90-degree adjustable lens lets you capture every angle with ease. Control it your way. Use voice commands, gesture selfies, or explore fun tricks like 360-degree flips. It's packed with everything you need. Weighing under 250 grams, this drone doesn't need FAA registration and folds up to fit right in your pocket. Perfect for on-the-go adventures. Elevate your flying experience with the Loily drone. Order yours now and let the adventures begin.